Good morning, friends. You see here a notification from CSIR, Central Leather Research Institute. This is a Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, Adyar, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. It is a central organization offering for few vacancies. They are Junior Secretariat Assistant in the Department of General and Stores and Purchase Department and Junior Secretariat Assistant in Finance and Accounts Department. For first category, six vacancies are there, and the second category, one vacancy is there. Here, in open competition, there is a age limit of 28 years and relaxation also applicable as per Government of India rules. You see here the commencement of online applications already started. It is from 14th July 2021 and last date for submission of online applications is 13th August 2021. For the same, you have to send your hard copies to the concerned before 6th September 2021. This is the story of the notification. Let us go and see for the qualifications. You see here postings will be based on the need and requirements of CLRI, a candidate, and candidates would be posted either in headquarters, namely Chennai, or in its regional centers, namely Ahmedabad, Jalandhar, Kanpur, and Kolkata, on rotational basis periodically. That is information, dear friend. Now we see the essential and desirable qualifications here. For category 1, 10 plus 2 that is equal to intermediate and proficiency in typewriting is essential, and the required qualifications are working knowledge of computers, preferably MS Office, MS Word, Excel, MS PowerPoint, etc. And we go for category number 2, that is finance and accounts department. Here you can see 10 plus 2 that is equal to intermediate, but here they are particularly asking one of the subjects accountancy is needed in 10 plus 2 and proficiency in computer typing test and desirable qualifications working knowledge of computers, that is in MS Office and preferably MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, they asked, dear friends. You see, in English typewriting at the rate of 35 words per minute, or if the candidate wish to write his exam in Hindi, that is 30 words per minute. Both are applicable accordingly. And these are all general instructions. We go only for important instructions. The application should be accompanied by self-attested copies of the relevant educational qualifications, experience if any. The prescribed qualifications should have been obtained through recognized universities, institutions, etc. Incomplete applications received are not accompanied with the required qualifications documents are liable to be rejected. So, dear friends, when you are sending your application, that is hard copies, just you have to attest all the required qualifications. If there is any incomplete and the producing of incomplete required qualifications, they are going to be rejected. So be careful while you are sending your applications. You see one more important instruction. Notification regarding selection, details of screened shortlisted candidates to be called for competitive written examination, proficiency in computer typing, and any updates shall be displayed only on CLRI official website. Dear friends, it is very important nowadays. Nowadays, we are habituating to apply all the notifications through online only. That's why whatever the online website address is there, just we have to go and click from time to time to update the information, to know the updated information. Otherwise, It causes very difficult, my dear friends. Mode of examination and syllabus. Recruitment to the posts will be made on the basis of result of competitive written examination and proficiency in computer typing speed and in using computer. The proficiency in computer typing speed and in using computer will only be qualifying in nature, and the final merit list will be prepared on the basis of the performance of the candidates in the competitive written examination who have qualified the proficiency test in computer typing. Dear friends, mode of examination here you can see every candidate, I mean, those who are applying for this, if they wish to appoint in this position, they should qualify in a written examination compulsorily, and after qualifying in written examination they should go for proficiency test, and a proficiency test also in qualifying nature, but they are not measuring any marks, first mark, second mark, like that. Only qualifying nature is the typing test, but otherwise in written examination, that is competitive examination, those who are going to get good marks only, they are going to get their appointment. The competitive written examination consists of two papers. They are paper 1 and paper 2. The second paper will be evaluated only for those candidates who secure the minimum threshold marks to be determined by the selection committee in the first paper. Dear friends, you are going to write your examination, both papers, they are paper 1 and paper 2, but the department is telling us they are going to evaluate second paper, the candidates who are going to qualify in first paper only, but otherwise they are not going to evaluate paper 2. If those who are going to disqualify in paper 1, they are not going to evaluate paper 2, dear friends. That's why it is important to qualify first in paper 1 compulsorily, and also second paper also, but due to just they are thinking, due to wasting of time, just they are thinking like that, I think so. Okay, you see medium of questions, it is in English and Hindi also, the question paper will be based there. Mode of exam OMR based or CBT, according to the circumstances they are going to conduct. Standard of exam class 12th, there are number of questions 200 and time allotted 2 hours and 30 minutes. And paper 1 mental ability 100 marks. There will be no negative marks for mental ability, that first paper. In second paper we see general awareness 50 questions, English language 50 questions, and for each question they are going to give 3 marks, that is 150 150 like that, and one negative mark for every wrong answer. Okay, in paper 2 negative system, negative mark system is there, but not in first paper. And stage to proficiency in computer typing test and using computer, and those who are qualifying in written competitive examination, that is paper 1 and paper 2 only, they are going to give you an opportunity to write your proficiency test, dear friends. Okay, relaxation is as per the government rules, and we see eligible candidates required to apply only through online by giving just they given the website address here. Based on this website address, just you click and you go according to the instructions from time to time, dear friends. That is, candidates are required to pay application fee 100 rupees through SB Collect by online. Okay, dear friends, just you follow through online SBI branch to pay examination fee for 100 rupees, like that. After submission of online application applicants shall print the computer generated applications. Application must be duly signed and accompanied by self-attested copies of the candidates of the certificates, mark sheets in support of age, educational qualifications, experience, if applicable, along with SB collect payment receipt, should be sent in envelope superscribed application for the post of so and so, that is junior secretariat, and postcode whether it is category 1 or category 2, just you mention here, by post to the address. Address is given here, this is the address here. Recruitment section CSIR Central Leather Research Institute, Sardar Patel Road, Adyar, Chennai, 600020, Tamil Nadu, India, to reach on or before 6th September 2001. And unless this is general instruction, if the candidate wish to apply more than one post, they should send their applications in separate mode but not in one mode. The following documents must be attached along with the application form sent through courier or post. You know very well the required qualification, the desired qualifications are required to send. Just you check once while you are sending your application. This is nothing but just a checklist. Just you see. And I request you and I am suggesting you to the candidates who are eligible for this post and who are going to apply for this post. Just you should read all the instructions carefully, then only just you apply for this. Otherwise, you will get an embarrassing situation if you cannot go through the instructions, dear friends. Anyway, all the best. Thank you very much.